Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. On this video, it's just a simple one, obviously. It's a continuation of the last video. I'm installing that hood I showed you at the end of the video, and we're getting rid of this one. And then I'm gonna wrap that hood, and then yeah, and then see how it goes from there. But not sure if I'm gonna wrap it right away. Maybe on the next video or something, you might just see it wrapped. I'm not sure if I'm gonna even show it, me wrapping it. But yeah, overall, I love the gauges. They're pretty sick. They look nice in the front now. Definitely makes the interior a little better. Can't wait till I get the next seat. That's next in the agenda of parts. But overall, that's after the whole engine thing though. So yeah, can't wait for that. But first, yeah, let's get this done. Simple video, just a before and after kind of thing. It's an easy install. You just gotta take off a couple nuts and bolts, and you should be ready. Hopefully that hood is hopefully that hood fits well and has good fitment. If not, then it's gonna suck. But yeah, it's just a couple nuts here, and then you gotta take this off. Then you remove the latch, and then yeah. So let's go ahead and get ready for that install, guys. All right. All right guys, well there it is. They're fighting with it for freaking 2 hours. I think I'm gonna call it a night. So fitment is not good, but I love this hood. So I'm gonna try to do something else with this hood, because obviously I don't think I can return it. But yeah, so all I'm gonna do is order me some latches, some hood latches that go right here, because the only sides that I have a problem with fitment wise is the sides right here. It's not, so I'm pretty sure with the latches it's gonna hold it down on both sides, and it's gonna cause it from picking up, because it's right here in the middle where it's like it's I think two down probably, and it's causing this to hit. So I'm pretty sure it's this latch right here. I don't know if it's like in the way, because you can see it's hitting something here, scratching. So it's probably too big. So I'm pretty sure if they would have cut it like a little bit right here, I don't know. Can't blame them. So, because if you want to put the latch and you want it to sit flush right there, you're gonna have sick old gaps on both sides. See how flush it is right there? Sick old gaps right here. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a day, and then we're just gonna order those latches and cut this hood right here, because I like this hood. So yeah, it's a pain in the ass, but it is what it is. So I'm pretty sure as soon as I get the latches, it would fit perfectly. But yeah, overall, what do you guys think of the hood? Think it's worth it? I mean, I already bought it. Can't really do anything about it now, but I think it looks really aggressive once I wrap it. Yeah, definitely gonna look sick. So I'll probably wrap it first, and then I'll do the latches, cut it off, make holes, and yeah, it should hold the hood down better anyways. So that's the thing with carpet. That's the thing with aftermarket hoods. You don't know if they're gonna fit right. I got lucky with the Sibon, but there's some Sibon hoods that don't fit right. So it's it's everywhere. Not too crazy, but for now, I'm just gonna leave it as it is and leave the car parked for now, and then order those things. Probably put the Sibon back on wrap it first, and then order those things, those latches, and then probably put the Sibon back on for now, because it needs to be taken to the shop anyway. So I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna be able to do all that. before I need to start on the engine build. So yeah, this is gonna have to wait till then. After the car comes back to me, then I can put those latches on. But overall, yeah, I'm probably gonna take it to a shop to do the latches, because I don't trust myself too much. So yeah, overall, that's pretty much it, guys. And I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Peace out.